Hello students, of standard 8, subject maths, lesson number 8, exercise 8.1. This is new lesson. Okay, the lesson is comparing quantities. Comparing quantities means we have to compare this quantity. That means you have to find some ratios, proportions, and whatever it is. First question: find the ratio of the following. Speed of cycle is 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter, that is 30 km per hour. Okay, speed of ratio we have to find. Ratio of speed of cycle to scooter. Okay, therefore is equal to speed of cycle is 15 km and speed of scooter is 30 km. Okay, now we can write 15 by 30, 5 3 are 5 6 are 3 1 are 3 2 are 1 upon 2. Therefore, ratio of speed of cycle to scooter is 1 by 2. That means 1 is to this exercise 8.1 first question. Okay, once again I am explaining. See, speed of a cycle is 15 km per hour and speed of a scooter is 30 km per hour. You have to find the ratio of cycle to scooter. Which name is your first cycle? So its speed will come as a numerator, and whose speed is given afterwards in the question, that is scooter. That speed will come as a denominator. So 15 by 30, 15 by 15 to that is 1 upon 2. Ratio of speed of bicycle is 1 is to 2. Next question. What is the next question? See, if you read this question, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. This meter and kilometer are same unit of distance, but kilometer is bigger unit and meter is smaller unit. So we have to convert this kilometer into meter. Therefore, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 10 kilometer is equal to how many meter? Therefore, 10 into 1000 upon 1 means 10,000 meter. Now, ratio of 5 meter to 10,000 meter. Okay, 5 ones are 5 to the 10. That means ratio is 1 by 2000 means 1 is to 2000. Followed or not followed? Okay, what we have done, we have converted this kilometer into meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 10 into 1000 means 10,000 meter. Ratio is 5 meter upon 10,000 meter. So 5 is 5, 2000 are. So 1 upon 2000, the ratio is 1 is to 2000. Now, next question, 50 paisa and rupees 5. Here paisa and unit, rupees. Other paisa and rupees are same unit of currency. Paisa is smaller unit and rupees is bigger unit. Therefore, we convert this bigger unit into smaller unit. That is, rupees will be converted into paisa. We know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Therefore, 5 rupees is equal to how many? 5 into 100 is equal to 500 paisa. Now, ratio of 50 paisa and rupees 5. Instead of 5 rupees, we will write 500 paisa. Therefore, 50 upon 500 paisa. This is paisa and this is also paisa. 0 0 but 5 is 5 10 is that is 1 upon 10. Therefore, ratio is 1 is to 10. Okay, student? Followed. Now I'll explain next question. Question number 2. Now student, question number 2, convert the following. ratio to the percentage. Okay, this A and B are given. Okay, convert the following into percentage. What is given? 3:4. That means 3 upon 4. We have to convert it into fraction form. 3:4 means 3 upon 4. This question number 2, 3 upon 4, and this 3 upon 4 will be multiplied by 100. Why by 100? Because percentage is always calculated on 100, and we have to convert this unit into percentage. So 4 ones are 425, 25 3s are 75%. What we have done? 3:4. That means we have converted this into fraction. 3 upon 4 into 100. 4 ones are 425, 325 are 75. So this is converted into percentage. Next question is 2:3. That means 2 upon 3 into 100. Again we are multiplying it by 100 because we are converting it into percentage, and percentage is always calculated on 100. Now 3, it will not be cut. 100 and 2 will not be cut by 3, so we will multiply 2 and 100. 200s are 2 and 200 is 200 upon 3. This 200 will be divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. Remainder 2. Bring this 0 here. 3 6 are 18. Remainder 2. 2 is smaller than 3, so we will put point here and 0. 3 6 are 18. Again remainder 2. Point is already there. 3 6 are 18, and this will go on. That means 6 either 66.66%, or you can convert into mixed fraction also like this. The answer is 66.66%, or like this. This 200 will be divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. Remainder 2. 3 6 are 18. Remainder 2. Bring this 66 here. This 3 as a remainder. Remainder space and 2 will go as question place. So 66 integer 2 upon 3%. You can convert this in this manner. Both answers are correct. Now next question is question number 3. This part you have to multiply in rough. This you have to do in rough. Okay, rough page or rough place. Now, question number 3. 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many did not? How many are not interested in maths? That is the question. Total students in percentage are 100. Interested in maths are 72. Okay, therefore not interested are, we have to subtract this 28%. So this is a simple answer. You have to only subtract this 72 from 100. You don't have to calculate it. If not asked, you have to. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 4. A football. Here question is given. I have not written this question. This question, look here. A football team won 10 matches out of the total matches. Number of the matches they have played. The total number of matches they have played, it is not given. That we have to find. They have won 10 out of this, and their winning percentage is 40%. That the number of matches they have won is 10, and its percentage is calculated is 40. So we have to find the total number of the matches. How many matches they have played? Did they play? Now look here. Percentage is given. That means 40. Okay. Yeah. What we have to do? Win matches win. And total matches played. So how many in percentage? How many percentage they have won? That is 40%, and that percent will be calculated on 100%. How many matches? Number of matches they have won? Number of matches 10. And total number is not given, so we will calculate it. Cross multiplication. So 10 into 100 upon 40. 0 0 cut. 4 1 4 25. So 25 matches they have played. 25 matches are played by the team. This is the answer. Okay, student, you have to go through this video again and again. If you have not followed, you can call us. We'll explain you again. Now next question, I am explaining question number 5 and 6, so that this exercise will be over. Now student, question number 5. If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much money did she have in the beginning? Here in the beginning, how much money she has is not given. Here percentage is given, spend. Okay, so total now money left. Okay, what is spent? Total 75% she has spent. So total amount is 100 in percentage. Total money she had 100%. She spent how many? 75%. Money left with her 25%. Therefore, money left total. Okay, how many here percentage? We calculate how much money is left. Here 25% is left out of total 100. So how much money is left with her? 600 rupees is left. So how much total money? Therefore 600 into 100 upon 25. 25 of that 25 4 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros, sorry, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 6 4 are 24. That means she had rupees 2,400 in the beginning. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, student. Again, I am explaining what we have done here. That means, see, she has spent left 600 rupees and she has spent 75%. What is the total amount? That is not given. That we have to find. She has spent 75% out of 100 she has. That is percentage is calculated out of 100. She spent 75. How much money is left with her? 700 minus 75 is 25% money is left. So money is left 25 out of 100. Yeah, in rupees 600 rupees is left out of how much? Cross multiplication 600 into 100 upon 25. 25 4 are 6 4 are 24 and 2 0. That was 2,400 rupees is left with her in the beginning. Okay. Now next question, that is 6th question I am explaining. Now students, 6th question. Last question of this exercise 8.1. If 60 people in city like cricket, 30% people in city like football, remaining like other games, total number of the people in city are 50 lakh. That means we have to find what we have to find in the question. If the total number in the of people in is 50 lakh, find exact number who like each type of the games. So first of all, okay, now total people are 50 lakh and out of those 50 60% are like cricket. Look here. First, okay, for cricket, people like cricket. Okay, out of, because percentage is given, will calculate it on 100 out of 100%. That is 100 people, 60 people like cricket. Okay, so out of how many? What is the population of the city? 50 lakh. So how many percentage? Therefore, 50 into 60 upon 100, 0, 0, 0 cut. 5, 6 are 30. 30 lakh people like cricket. Okay, next part. This was the first part. Okay, second part of this question is 30% people like football. Out of 100, 30% like football. Therefore, out of 50 lakh, how many people like football? That we have to calculate. Therefore, 50 into 30 upon 100, 0, 0 cut. 3 5 are 15 lakh people like football. Okay, last the remaining like other game. So third part of this question is remaining means total 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Therefore, other game people like other games are 100 minus 90 is equal to 10%. Why 10%? Because 60% like cricket and 30% like football, other like 10% other game. So out of 100, 10% like other game. So out of 50 lakh, how many people like this? So 50 into 10 upon 100, 0, 0, 0 cut. 5 lakh people like other game. Is that clear, student? Here your exercise is over. Okay, you have to solve this exercise. No questions in your notebook. If you have not followed, you can call us. We'll explain you. You have to copy this in your notebook. Okay, student? Take care. Bye.